Okay, now here is our typical stop end that would be used to orient the pre-stressing strands that we would use to apply that compressive force to the beam end. Now note, these strands are not tensioned, they are slack, so there's no danger here. You must be very, very careful with fully tensioned pre-stressing strands, because there's a massive amount of force that can be contained in each of these strands. This particular strand, in fact, we would actually tension up to a load of 209 kilonewtons in just one strand. So what we would do, these strands would be jacked up, they would be pulled back, and they would be essentially stretched. They would be put into that very large amount of tension, 209 kilonewtons for these. The concrete would be cast around the strands into the appropriate cross-section. Once that concrete has reached the specified strength, the specified compressive strength, then the strands would be gradually released, thereby transferring that force that was in the strands when they were stretched into the concrete. So that very large force in the strands would be then applied as compression into the beam itself. Now, notice with this strand layout, there's a far larger number of strands closer to the bottom of the beam. The bottom of the beam, the soft of the beam, would be just 50 mil underneath the actual bottom of the strands, 50 or 60 mil. The reason for that is, not only do we want to apply compression to the beam, we also want to apply a bending moment to the beam as a result of the pre-stressing operation.